in the morning.
Magandang umaga. Ayan. Yes. Ano? Oh, nakikipag-usap na. Si Sam tulog pa. Oops. Where are we going today, Sam? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy already? Huh? Say bye. Bye. No, say hello. Hello first before bye. 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 Okay, let's go now. We're going out now. Second day today. May mirror kasi doon.
Yeah.
Yung Samsam nagpapaupa pa. Nagpapakarga pa. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Come here. Kung saan kami pupunta today. Maglalakad lang kami dyan sa promenade. Sa kahabaan ng promenade. Ang fancy pakinggan. Promenade. Whoop. Okay. So we're going towards there.
So I say walk down the seafront and then head that way, and I think the main city centre is that way.
Okay. Punta kami sa shopping center today. Mahangin pa rin. We need to put some sunglasses on. Nasa dagat na yung mag-ama. Andun na sila, oh. Low tide kasi today. Let's show them. Andun sila. I can't go with them because Louie. Andito si Louie. Louie. Hello. Hello. Pag-usap siya kaninang umaga. Medyo mahangin. Sana maging okay mamayang hapon. Kaya today, pupunta kami sa shopping center kasi medyo malamig. Buti na lang long sleeve ang pinasuot ko kay Sam. What's that? Oh! Aha! Oh! Aha! It's not a duck. He's saying the duck. I think it's a seagull.
Okay, let's catch it.
Hey, this way. This way.
Go to Mama.
Come on. Run. Burn all the fats. Run. Sobrang haba nitong promenade dito sa Landudno. Kakapagod. Kaya daming mga nag-exercise, yung mga running, and walking. Daming mga nag-exercise. Mamaya na ulit ako mag-video. Sobrang pagod na. Ang haba kasi nito. Mahaba. Sobrang kahabaan ng promenade. Alice in Wonderland. Rabbit. Oh yeah, it's nice. Sam, look! Rabbit! Can you see? The Alice Trail. Landudno.
From the rabbit's purse.
Can you see? We go in the front. We haven't seen it yet. Sam, can you see? Sam, look. This one. This way, this way.
Rabbit. Can you see it?
It's still looking up.
Look at the seagull.
Have a dream.
Where's the rabbit?
Rabbit.
Sam, here. Look. Look.
Wow. Look at that.
Can you see? He's more interested with the seagull now. Upo lang muna kami here. Kasi sobrang pagod na, hindi na namin tinapos na lakarin yung promenade, yung kakaba ng promenade. Parang siguro mga 3/4 naman yung nalakad namin, then we cut off na lang. Tapos punta kami dito. May mga bus nakalagay, sightseeing bus, Alice in Llandudno bus, mga ganyan. Ayan, may sila, wood carving ng rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Hinahanap ni Tim yung shopping center kasi sobrang layo na ng nalakad na namin. Honey, do we have ref magnet from here already, from last year?
So, we're back together.
Oh, meron na pala.
I thought it was a Bernardo's, but it's a...
We're getting ice cream. Maybe later. This one. Ice cream. So, bumalik kami dito sa hotel. Ganito kami sa lunch ngayon. Hello, kuya. Kasi may emergency. Nakakapagod. Grabe. Parang 1.5 to 2 hours kung lalakarin mo ang buong promenade. Bulag tayong mag-ama. Si Louie at saka si Tim. Si Sam naman na yan. Mabadukad. Sobrang init kasi sa labas. So, lalabas ulit kami ngayon. Anong oras na? It's 4:21 na ng hapon. Naka-power recharge na kami. Lahat. Nagising na rin yan. And si Louie still sleeping. Oh, asan siya? Here. Yan. And then si Sam, nanonood pa rin. So, lalabas kami. Pupunta kami sa Happy Valley Botanical Garden. So, maglalakad lang kami from here sa hotel. Lalakarin ulit namin yung promenade to doon. It's 18 minutes walk. Pinatan ko yung sandal ko ng shoes na para hindi hassle kasi Botanical Garden parang madaming lalakarin doon. So, let's go! It's really nice view here. We're going uphill now. Yan naman ang kahabaan ng pier. Doon sa dulo, doon, mayroong arcade. Nagrereklamo na si Tim kasi sobrang tagal ko na daw. Kasi nga, ang ganda lang kasi gusto ko siyang i-film. Ang ganda pero nakakatakot din. Ang taas. Parang yan, nabangin na yan, oh. Ang ganda lang i-film. Pero yung kasama ko, nonchalant. It's really nice. Wow. That's Llandudno. Hi! Say hi to my vlog! Ang ganda naman here. We're here already. Ay, mas maganda pa pala doon. Oh, may mga benches. Should we put some suntan lotion there? Or sunscreen? Look at that. It's so nice. Wow! Yun na lang ang lagi kong nasasabi. Wow. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Ay, naku, umutot na naman ang baho. Umutot niya ang baho. Saan ko lang to? Ganda kasi. That's our view from here sa taas. Dito kami sa Happy Valley Garden. Ganda. Wow! Say hi to my vlog. What? Well, I want to sit here. It's shady. Tulog na naman si Samsung. Hindi kasi siya nakatulog nung nandun kami sa hotel eh. Pababa na kami. Can you take picture, honey? Just the two of us.
Is that okay?
Okay. So we're going
I
down
imagine
now.
myself to be more kind of handsome and macho. There we go, run away pram. I imagine myself to be more handsome and more macho, and then when I see myself on video, I'm like, I look very geeky and very kind of.
You are guapo.
That's how I imagine myself. That's how I get through the day with the.
That's how
the
you look
ego.
like, not just imagine, okay? Come on.
Hoo hee ha. Like
Johnny Bravo.
Yeah, just not got the hair for it, baby.
Someone will pass on.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Can see a cormoran's just gone under there.
So just watch our YouTube shorts kasi sila lang yung pumunta doon sa taas sa Botanical Garden. Yun sa Mutay side.
Yeah, magandang tanghali to Margaret.
Yeah, so this is our view from here now. Pababa na kami from Botanical Gardens. And just watch our YouTube videos.
Do you want me to do?
YouTube shorts videos kasi doon ko na lang i-upload yung mga video nila sa taas.
Do you want me to say it in Filipino?
What?
In Tagalog?
What is it?
What's up, people?
Madlang.
Oh, is it? I thought you said mother people.
No, not mother people. What's up, madlang people? Kasi lagi ako nanonood ng
I thought it was like she's gonna, instead of saying mother effers, she was gonna say mother people.
Mother people. Madlang people.
The pushchair.
Okay, let's go
It's
now.
not that great because Sam weighs so much now, and this is a portable pushchair.
Okay, so let's go now. We're going back now because what time is it? Do you know?
Dinner time.
It's dinner time.
It's 6:35.
6:35 na at pataas pa ang araw doon.
This is just a little.
So pupunta kami dyan sa pier. If you can see it. Pupunta pa kami dyan sa pier para makapaglaro pa si Sam kasi kagigising niya lang kanina mga alas 5. Alas 5 yun eh. Kaya hindi pa yan pagod. Hindi pa siya pagoda. Kaya maglalaro pa siya dyan sa may pier bago dinner. Tapos, yun. Nandito na kami sa hotel. Anong oras na kaya? It's 9:09 na ng gabi. And kakain na kami ng dinner. Ano na lang kami ng takeaways. Nag-takeaway. Sobrang gutom na kami. Grabe. Ayun na si Sam kumakain na ng chicken nuggets. Anong pagkain? Where's the food, honey? So this is our food. Sweet and sour pork sa akin. What are you having, Sam? Chicken nuggets. And I'm having this. Naglagay kami ng plastic sa kama kasi dyan kami kumakain. Sweet and sour pork sa akin and rice and pansit kaya steam. Pansit na may chips. Ayun lang kami.